Hi everyone. I want to take a second to talk about symbols. And I'm going to read you sort of a clear definition of symbols. So I'm going to suggest that you take out a piece of paper and you write down this definition as I'm saying it. All right? So a symbol is an object or action in a literary work that means more than itself. It stands for something beyond itself. So one more time, a symbol is something that stands for something beyond itself. So that's really important, right? A symbol is basically an object that is supposed to mean something other than the literal meaning. So if you need to pause this video for a second, rewind. A symbol is an object or something in the story that represents something beyond itself, something beyond the literal. So we have symbols every single day in our lives, okay? Symbols are not just something in literature. Symbols are all around us. For example, my glasses. You could take my glasses as a symbol. Now, the glasses could mean something different depending on the story in which it's put. Okay, so my glasses could symbolize intelligence, they could symbolize insecurity, they could symbolize vulnerability. It depends on what kind of character I am, what's happening around the symbol, what's happening in the setting, what kind of character am I, what's the dialogue, what's the word choice. So glasses by themselves are just glasses. Once you put the glasses on a character in a short story, well, then the glasses can represent something beyond itself. Okay, then it can represent an idea. So the reading that you have this week, you have the Chrysanthemums by John Steinbeck. All right, the title, the chrysanthemums, the flowers. Well, they're a symbol. Now you have to ask yourself, what could they represent? All right, what is something that they could symbolize? What can they be considered? What idea do those flowers present? Likewise, in the story Sweat by Zora Neale Hurston. Who's the snake? What's the snake? The snake is not just a snake, okay? What does that snake represent? What idea does that snake represent? Okay, so remember, when you're reading literature, you're looking for objects, things that mean something beyond themselves, all right? Something that so not literal. Glasses are not just glasses, all right? Flowers are not just flowers. Colors are not just colors. The names of characters are not just the names of characters, right? The author is always trying to provide us with meaning, with ideas about what it means to be alive. So we as readers are always trying to investigate, what is the meaning? What are we supposed to learn, right? What is the message? What is the author saying about love? What is he saying or she saying about revenge? What is this author saying about insecurity? What is the author saying about education, right? A lot of themes in literature. Now the question is, what is the author saying about the theme, and what symbols, what things inside that story represent something other than themselves? What represents something other than the literal? All right? Have a good week. Thanks for listening.